Hey everybody, welcome to Lesson 11. This week we are moving on from the persuasive essay, and we will be focusing on your next major assignment, really your final major assignment for the course, which is a personal essay. Now this week we'll learn the basic conventions and characteristics of the personal essay. You'll do that through some reading assignments, through some videos, all things that will give you a kind of a good indication of what things are included in personal essays. I personally really like personal essays. That's one thing that I really like writing, or essays, and I just find it a really thrilling, fun, sort of, and oftentimes cathartic process that I'm able to think through experiences in my life and work them out and sit with them and reflect on them, and in the act of reflecting, to learn from those experiences. So I really like personal essays. So should be a fun experience, I hope, for all of you. You'll also be learning the guidelines and pitfalls of pronoun usage and begin brainstorming and planning your personal essay. Now, I'll just spend a couple of minutes just looking at the requirements for the personal essay. It should, as noted here, let's see here, it'll be a 2 to 3 page essay in which you reflect on a personal experience or a set of related experiences. So you will tell a true personal story and then reflect on that and on what it means in your life, or even on how it's changed you. So that in addition to learning about your life experience, as is noted here, the reader should take away some larger idea or truth from your essay. So you're not just telling a story like this is what happened to me, but you reflect on the significance of that. Asking yourself a few questions, I think, could help you understand the larger understand a larger truth about your experience. For instance, what did you learn from it? What does it mean? How did it change you? Those 3 things can be good to look at. Now, there are some really interesting things. I encourage you to read through all of this, read through it closely. Here are the requirements for the essay: 2 to 3 pages, a minimum of 500 words, should be double spaced, Times New Roman font, 12-point, 1-inch margins, etc., etc. Now here's the rubric for the assignment. This is what I will be looking at as I grade you. Should have a main idea, should provide support detail, should show these things rather than just telling about them. Remember, we practiced that in the This I Believe essay. This assignment is it's related to this I Believe essay, because you will be telling about a personal experience. You'll be sharing that personal experience and also reflecting on it in the broader essay. So the essay should be organized, unified, should be coherent and flow well, and it's grammar, mechanics, format, and no major grammatical missteps throughout, etc., etc. Now this week, the first step you will be taking in writing your personal essay is to come up with your idea, and then after that you will be writing an outline of your essay. Now, if you're having a hard time coming with an idea, you can use some pre-writing and brainstorming activities to get your juices flowing. These are noted here in step 3 of the project requirements. So take a look at those if you're having a rough time. Or even just sit down and start reflecting on listing different experiences from your life, etc. That's a good place to begin. Now the outline should look like this. It should be in incomplete sentences, a little different than the explanatory outline that you did for the persuasive essay. This is just a straightforward outline where you list just the things that you will be covering as you go through the essay. Now you'll need to bring 3 copies of your outline to your gathering. You'll get feedback on that and then turn it in by week's end via this link here. And so that's the writing assignment, personal essay assignment. If you have questions, feel free to shoot them over to me via email, and I'll see if I can be of assistance to you. Now, let's see, you'll be learning about pronouns, grammar exercise for the week, per usual. Now here's a video that will give you elements of the personal essay, and there's also a document that has some of the similar things, elements of the personal essay. Talks about focus, development, organization, coherence, and style. So take a look at that. Refer back to it frequently to kind of give you a good idea of things that personal essays generally contain. Now, for your reading for the week, let me get there. You have some personal essays here. When Shooting an Elephant, many of you may have read this before in high school or elsewise, by George Orwell. A really interesting essay there. One called Dad by Andrew Malcolm, and then Do It Better by Ben Carson. So you'll have some examples of personal essays that you will be reading for your assignments this week. And then for the discussion board, you will be looking back at one of those essays and looking at specific things, specific elements or characteristics of good writing, the characteristics of personal writing, and you'll be exploring those in your discussion, your first discussion post. So it's different things like central theme or thesis, the epiphany moment, moment of suspense, a climax, etc., etc. So you'll be looking at those in terms of the reading assignment for the week. And then, per usual, responding to at least 2 of your peers by week's end so that we can have a discussion about the fun ideas. I think they're fun, exciting ideas. And really, that's everything that's on the docket for the week. If you have questions about anything, please feel free to let me know. My inbox is always open.